Alright guys, time for me to put the gas tank on with the straps. Some of the components, we use new clamps. Gonna have some new rubber hose here. Clean it up. Got the new rubber hose here for that. Got new clamps. And the tank is out here. So, let's take off this thing. So, I'm about to install this now. Yeah, we looking good. Looking real good. Oh, let me show you my bolts. So I cleaned the bolts off. Shot some rust reform on them. Used a wire brush to clean them off real good. They're all good now. Okay, clean it off good. Tubing off, just cut my new piece. Have some new clamps on there. This is where it goes. That's cleaned off. And it sits in the top of their gas tank. And let's put some new clamps here so we can install this first. I'll show in steps. I don't want to keep recording everything. My camera is packed with footage that I gotta remove. We're also gonna lube this up real good, so this can seat inside there really good. So I'll film the steps. All right, got that ready. Looking nice. That's looking nice. So we're gonna slide this on. Show you guys exactly where it goes. So we're gonna put it right here, and get the tank up there and angle that piece down inside the tank. Where's that in? I have to put some oil around that metal pipe or that metal tubing that goes inside the tank, so it can slide into that rubber grommet fairly easy. But looking nice. So I got both grommets in first, lubed up real good. Move on that. And we're gonna see what we got. Okay, I opted to go a different route because angling that gas tank up there to get this to fit off in there. It's not like the filling that you can bend it a little bit. Whereas with this goes onto that plastic piece. You don't got much play, even if you loosen this clamp, and you can potentially break that plastic housing right there. So to avoid that, I'm just gonna put it in there. That plastic is old anyway, and I don't want to break it or crack it. So just put it in here first, and now I'll be able to get it up there. Should be with no problem. Alright, we got it up there. Now I'm gonna put the straps up. Alright, putting up the final touches on the gas tank. The line I got under here, it's a little long than I want it to be. You guys can see. I was gonna still use it, but it curves. So I'm gonna cut it some. I'm gonna cut this some, not for a tight fit, but just for a decent fit. Probably just cut about a couple inches off of it so it wouldn't turn as much. I have that curve as much in the line. I don't want nothing to possibly kink and stop gas flow. So, and that metal plate that goes over the plastic gas tank, I'm gonna install that in a few minutes too. I gotta make drill a hole for the bottom since I added new metal there. And we'll be doing that and I'll be done with this completely. So I'm about to finish this up right now. And yeah, we're looking good under here. Really good. Straps are in place. So I'm gonna do this now, then I'm gonna install that metal plate. It's about 8 o'clock in the evening, so I'll be turning the light on in a minute in the garage, and I'll be in here all night pushing. But gas tank is pretty much done. Just gotta all new clamps, gotta plug in this guy. Let's see how it goes. Only can go one way. And it's plug. So it's best to run it under the gas line because it goes out on that angle and it goes up towards the top. So you want to come over the gas line and go under it. So it's pretty much done under here now. Let's put that metal plate on that covers that, and we'll be done with the gas tank. So it's seated up there real good. Oh, I got seats up in there. Okay guys, I gotta put that plate on now. So 3 holes, one there, and one there. Let me show you where they go. There's one out the gate. There's the other one. And the other one's gonna go here. I'm gonna make a hole here. Let me show you guys the model number of this internal plastic, or external. Maybe it's internal. It is internally covered and with the shield. So maybe you can call it internal tank, or I don't know, external, but here's the model number for it. So you guys can see how it goes up top. There's a strap. Everything goes to the tank. Up top from the gas cap. There's a strap up there. So I gotta make a spot here so I can drill it in. Okay, I'm done with completely done with the gas tank stuff. Got that bolt to fit. And that one, and it mounts up there. So now it's all interior, all in the inside now. The only thing I'll be left to do under here is the exhaust. That's it.